Hi everybody. I come over to Northumberland, just north of Alnwick, and I've come to look at some bunkers on the edge of this airfield from the Second World War. I'm going to put the drone up, but I have to make sure this airfield's not used before I do it and get myself into trouble. But there's a bunker over to my right. That's the first one, so we'll go and have a look at that. And at the moment I don't think this airfield is used. I've looked on air map and nothing's showing up on air map. All that's it's a public footpath here. Some buildings over there. There's another bunker there. 3 bunkers in a row. Cool. I saw these on oh dear. I saw these on Google Earth. Right, which one we're going to have a look at first? We'll look at that one first. I'm going to pause and come back. Right, I'm back. Right, first bunker. Cow poo everywhere. So where's cow poo? It's either cow poo or goat poo. Right. Let's have a look in here. Got my torch just in case I need it. And it's not that dark actually. It's very similar to the one at Kirkbride Airfield. Oh, it's got poo in here as well. Right, there's the first bunker. We'll go and have a look at the other ones. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to keep pausing and coming back. So see you at the next one. Alright, I'm at the second one. I'm not going to go to the third one because I think they're all exactly the same. Once I've looked at this, I'll need to get the drone in the air so I can see what's around, because there is some other interesting buildings around here. There's the second bunker. Exactly the same. So there you go. It's always hard to get in these places. Let's put the torch on. There's a big sign here. Ouch. I don't think I needed my torch. It's still quite bright in here. God, look at this big metal door. Oh, it's quite big. Wow. Look at this metal door. I wonder if it still works. Yeah, look at that. Still got the lock on it. I didn't think it was going to be that big in here. Bird's nest up there. But this is pretty good. Come on, gimbal, do as you're told. Look at that. This is cool. Is there anything interesting on the floor? There's a vent up there. A barrel. Some old tins and stuff. It's good, eh? Pretty cool. I like this one. I think this is the best one I've ever been in. This is good. And I can actually stand up straight in here. Right, that's it. Short video. I'll take some photographs for thumbnail and that'll be it. If you like my channel, give us a thumbs up, and we'll catch you on the next one. Okay, bye everybody.